I just bought a life insurance policy, but did I just get scammed?
Indexed universal policy is it's a newer version of an old bad idea, is what it amounts to. And so,
did you know that less than 2% of term policies ever pay out? That means millions of families are left with nothing after paying premium payments for decades. And here's the kicker. Dave Ramsey wants you to believe that this is the best option. But is it really? Let's talk about the truth that he's not telling you and why he's wrong about indexed universal life insurance. Hey everybody, Roosevelt Thomas here, licensed CPA, licensed life agent, and your go-to money guy. Today we're addressing a hot topic, Dave Ramsey's claims that indexed universal life insurance, also known as IULs, are a scam or a bad investment. Spoiler alert, IULs are not a scam. An even bigger spoiler alert, they're not an investment. And they were never meant to be so. So let's talk about what they really are and why they might just be one of the most misunderstood tools in personal finance. First, let's clarify something. An investment is when you put money into something, stocks, real estate, mutual funds, with the expectation of earning some sort of return with a level of risk associated with it. An IUL is not an investment. It's life insurance. It doesn't fit the definition of an investment, and it's not supposed to. So comparing life insurance to your 401k or your stock portfolio is like comparing apples to oranges. They're completely different tools for completely different purposes. So what is an IUL really? It's a multifunctional insurance tool designed to do three different things. Number one, protect your loved ones. Like all life insurance, it provides a death benefit to financially secure your family just in case something happens to you. Number two, it's meant to protect you while you're alive. Many IULs come with living benefits, giving you access to your policy if you're ever diagnosed with a critical illness, suffer a disability, or face any other health challenges. And number three, to protect your future. Over time, IULs build up cash value that grows tax deferred. And you can access this cash value for tax-free retirement, any emergencies, or any financial opportunities. It's not your primary retirement plan, but it's a powerful supplement that adds flexibility and protection against your own financial strategy. Now, here's another important point. The life insurance industry, including IULs, is a highly regulated industry. Both state and federal agencies monitor these products to ensure that they are fair and transparent. So why do IULs sometimes get a bad rap? Because unfortunately, there are untrained and poorly educated agents out there who fail to structure them properly and explain them fully. That doesn't mean that it's a bad product. That just means you need to work with somebody who knows what they're doing. Now let's talk about one of Dave Ramsey's favorite talking points, term insurance. Dave loves to say that term insurance is the best way to go. And while term insurance can be a great option in certain circumstances, he doesn't tell you the whole truth. Like I mentioned earlier, less than 2% of term policies ever pay out. Most term policies expire way before the insured person passes away. That means people spend years paying for coverage that they're never going to use. He also fails to mention skyrocketing costs after the term expires. This can leave people in their 60s and 70s either with 1,000% higher cost or unable to get insured for life insurance because of a prior health complication. And frankly, many people can't afford it and leaves a lot of people uninsured when they're older and most vulnerable. With an IUL, you don't have to worry about outliving your coverage. It's designed to be there for you for your entire life. And as long as you maintain your policy, which we can structure so it doesn't have to be you paying for your whole life. It can be the same time you're paying for a term policy, but you can pay it off sooner with an IUL. It's like paying off your house within 30 years. They don't kick you out of your house when you're done, when you pay it off either. Same thing with an IUL. And it offers consistency and peace of mind that a term policy just honestly can't match. Let's address an elephant in the room, fees. Yes, IULs have fees. But here's the thing, every financial tool has fees. Let me give you a few examples, like mutual funds, 401ks, real estate investments, stock trading accounts, all these have fees. And of course, an IUL has fees because it gives you a guarantee on day one. As soon as you get approved for your policy, as soon as you make your first payment, as soon as you sign your paperwork, you are guaranteed a certain amount of money if something happens the next day. So you're covered over this period of time. So of course, there's going to be some fees to go along with this guarantee. Now, it sounds crazy to say, but certain things cost money. Now let's talk about what the fees go towards in your IUL. Death benefit for your loved ones, living benefits just in case you get sick, and deferred cash value growth that you can access tax-free. When you compare the value of these benefits to the fees, the potential upside far outweighs the cost, especially when your policy is structured properly. And here's the big picture: diversification. Dave Ramsey preaches about stocks, mutual funds, and paying off debt. Those are extremely important, and you should do those. You should not have high outstanding consumer debt. But financial success isn't about putting all your eggs in the one basket. It's about spreading your risk and having the right tools in place to do the right jobs. IULs are one of those tools. They're not meant to replace your stock portfolio or your 401k. They're meant to complement that by providing protection and flexibility. Think of it as a safety net underneath your financial plan. The bottom line: IULs aren't a scam. They're not a bad investment or an investment at all. They're insurance. And when you structure it properly, they can provide protection, flexibility, and peace of mind that other financial products simply can't offer. Yes, term insurance is cheaper up front, but it's temporary. And 98% of people outlive it. An IUL, on the other hand, gives you protection for life, living benefits, and tax advantage growth potential. Don't let myths or half-truths keep you from exploring an IUL as part of your financial plan. Ready to learn how an IUL can work for you? Reach out to me now at dreamnowfinancials.com and let's build a plan that fits your goals. Also find me on Instagram at dreamnowfinancials. Shoot me a message, shoot me a DM, and we can get in contact. Thanks for watching, and always remember to dream big, plan smart, and protect your future.